Hi everyone! In this short video, we'll introduce you to the powerful What You See is What You Get editor in Matesub. Once your video is loaded, the editor displays the subtitles along the video timeline. To edit the text directly, you can click on any subtitle. The changes you make are instantly reflected, allowing for quick adjustments and real-time feedback. Matesub's editor lets you change the alignment, style, and color of your subtitles. Simply select the subtitle you want to format and use the available tools to adjust its appearance. This feature ensures your subtitles are not only accurate, but also visually appealing. To remove a subtitle, select it and press Delete. To insert a new one, click on the timeline at the desired spot and drag and drop to create a new subtitle. Then type your text. In summary, Matesub's editor simplifies the subtitle editing process, allowing you to make precise, real-time changes faultlessly. Thank you for watching and happy subtitling with Matesub.